I'm gonna go grab that one.
Yep. So this is more than likely just going to be a short video updating you guys with where we're at on the progress. Oh, I'm about to see you guys almost watch me die. God damn. Anyhow, this is where we're at. Literally, one bolt broke and held everything up. So, it's a control arm bolt that you guys can see. Everything is up there and all nice and reinforced. And then doing this almost made me reconsider my accent color. So the car is going to be black with carbon fiber accents, and it was going to have a red accent color. But since these suspension components are seeming to start being more and more yellow, granted, I don't know if I'm going to keep it, because I don't know if I'm going to keep the Bilstein struts and stuff like that, or the Bilstein rear struts, because I do know I'm going bags, but I don't know if I'm going to keep those or just run the airless struts all the way around. But yeah, so the accent color for now may be that like orangish yellow color. It's like kind of like a mango color. So that I wouldn't be opposed to, because I do like it, and it also would go good with if I end up doing any little hits of carbon Kevlar, which I may do, like depending on how money and everything looks in the future. I may, because I am going to do a slick top, but I don't know if I'm going to do a carbon roof, and if I do a carbon roof, it may be Kevlar. So the exterior may have like that orange mango yellow colored detail, like the IRP camper arms and the Bilstein struts, because those do match like almost perfectly. But yeah, like as you can see, there's black and red with some hits of gold and everything. So it is going to have some touches of color, but the car is mainly just going to be black. And then I'm also thinking like wheels. I'm not sure what wheels I'm going to, well, yeah, I'm going to have a bunch of sets of wheels, but I'm just not sure what like my theme color is going to be. I do know a long time ago when I had my first E36, I wanted gold. So I may do that, but I just don't know how the gold is going to look on the black. So I don't know. I'll figure that out later on. But yeah, so the turbo kit's off. I'm actually going to pack everything up and get it ready to ship. I was just at work, and today I don't have a detail, so I'm off today. But it's really not too many parts. Intercooler, some exhaust piping, the 2 manifolds and everything like that, and then the stuff that swoops around. And then that's really it. And then here's the engine bay. So it's pretty bare. The steering shaft or steering shaft linkage has to come out to put the headers in. And then after the headers are in, yeah, the rest of the exhaust has to get put on. Again, I'm not 100% sure. I may be needing to cut like one of these or one of those parts off, like either end. But regardless, that's mine, so I'm going to be keeping that anyway, because I may end up using it for when I do the quad tips and the duals. I don't believe a true dual could fit. If I can, I'll do it. If not, I'll just, you know, do quads. But it'll have more than enough exhaust flow for what I plan for power wise. But yeah, per usual, it's just literally one last bolt is always the thing. It's just like when I was doing the manifold removal. It was the rear bolt back there. Literally, I just had to for like an hour, and then it eventually came out. So I'm gonna start packing up these things in a little while. It's just super hot, so I'm waiting for the shade to move over a little bit more, because as you can see, it's right here. This morning it was way over here. As you guys can see, I had to make like a little tent thing because I was dying in the sun trying to get that thing out, but again, it can't come out, so we just gotta go to some more drastic measures. I'm also about to call for about the CL63, so we'll get an update on that later. I don't know if I'm gonna put it in this video or not, but yeah, there's just little things to do, and then the car's gonna be back down on all fours, because literally, again, it's just one bolt before the car can go down on its wheels. Like this side's done. Like, as you guys can see, it's done. It's just one bolt. But yeah, if this is the end of the video, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll get to you guys in the next one. And you already know, drink water, motherfuckers.